Civilians.
Oh, look at that. Another cop.
Very well. Very well. How are we? You guys alright? You need a repair? Something looks like a terrible vehicle crash here.
It was. I had a toolkit and fixed it.
What is wrong with your boy?
He's a little slow, that's all. Don't worry about it. I think he got a little brain damage in the
That's
car
fine.
accident.
Look, word on the street is we're going to be manning checkpoints, so just make sure you guys have got correct licenses and all that sort of thing, and make
Hey.
sure whoever's driving this car, which I'm sure wasn't any of you two,
It was Frankie. Hey,
knows what's going on, alright?
come back here, Private Parts, for a minute. We were going to go man the checkpoint. You can't man our checkpoint. We're the Environmental Protection Agency, and we're going to check fuel emissions on cars.
Oh yeah? Okay, no worries.
All right, cool.
If you guys run into any trouble, you let the APD
Hey,
know, alright?
the only trouble I've had is with the APD.
Look, no worries, just be safe, and whoever's been driving this car, just make sure they're not drinking.
He might have been
You guys
drinking,
may
I'm not
roll with-
sure. Yeah.
Buddy joined
sorry?
your channel.
Excuse me? So have you been drinking?
Is he still AFK?
What?
We got a runner in Kavala. I know you think that was a good shot, sir. I know you think it was extremely bullshit, but I'm a good shot. Why were you running, boy?
Hey, Billy.
There we go.
Hello.
Hello.
Well, you see.
Nah, look. No, excuse me, mate. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I
Jesus,
may
you
or
smell
may
like Jim
not
Beam.
have had
You smell like Jim
a
Beam.
small schooner of medicinal alcohol before I drove. But apart from that, I'm pretty good. I mean, like, I'm in the Environmental Protection Agency here, so I'm just trying to ensure that you're not breaking any of the emissions laws with your illegal muffler systems in your police vehicle.
Okay, look. Basically, I smelled alcohol, especially you ran. I mean, were you even aware that you're running, young man? You look drunk as a skunk. Get that hat off.
I wasn't running. I was just going home. I decided right then and there, like, you know what? I think I need to go home.
Please.
So I just turned around and thought, fuck it, I'm going home.
Ma'am, put your hands on your head until this is over, please. Much appreciated. Ma'am, can you please put your hands on your head, or I'll be forced to restrain you with someone that tried to evade the police. Thank you.
I'm not trying to evade the police. I'm trying to find the right button.
I'm sorry. I woke up on the wrong end of the bed today, put it that way. Alright? So let's just not piss anyone off here. Now, actually, I'm going to unrestrain you, boy. Don't run anywhere, don't move, stay on the line. Get that hat and glasses off when I'm talking to you, please, mate.
Hey, Officer Billy, can you come over here for a minute?
My hat and glasses are
Microphone
staying on
muted.
my head, Mr. Private General area. Don't remove my hat for
Officer
anyone.
Billy,
You were the Queen.
I
need
think
to
that
see those
I think
eyes,
your
young
commanding
man.
officer might be
need
a
to
little
see
off
those eyes.
kilter.
Mate, I'm going home. I'm going.
Yes, yes. Mate, I've told ya. Gotta love the runners, boy. Gotta love the runners. You gotta restrain the other one. You wanna restrain the got a possible heading northeast, forward, left central. Got a possible male in a white shirt heading northeast, forward, central. got a possible male in a white shirt heading north.
I've got a huge run here. I'm legging it so hard.
Get in the car, baby.
This is ridiculous. I'm like wanted man #1.
Okay,
Get in that car.
I'm riding off with somebody's SUV.
Oh, you're
I don't
doing
even know who it
it.
is.
Microphone activated.
I don't even know whose car I'm in. They're like, get in the car, Tris, I'll save you.
Alright, get ready. We're probably fucking tight. Oh, I shouldn't go that way.
All right, thank you.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
All right,
Oh,
let's go.
shit.
Right. Are they shooting at us?
Oh,
He just wrecked and ran off. Okay, I'm gonna come
I'm
towards your
probably gonna
hexagon.
get tased and killed by a cop when I'm coming back to the car.
Oh,
Because I
Alcoma.
just did like
The cops have
the
him.
biggest. I did the biggest runner in the world. Is that Alcoma? Is that the guy?
Yeah, he's the one that
Um,
was in the SUV.
Are they near the near where we were
Do I have any
before?
lock picks? I don't have any lock picks. They didn't save. Or no, I gave them to you. There were only 2 of them
Yeah,
anyway.
I got killed. So.
I couldn't lock pick I was gonna try to lock pick the cop car.
Okay, I'm gonna just roll up like nothing ever happened.
What on earth is? What are they
I can
doing?
hear so many bullets and shit flying
What
around.
the heck? They just tased me.
Okay guys, I'm here with the Environmental Protection Agency. I'm going to have to check your catalytic converters, not Billy, to ensure that you're not polluting to the atmosphere any further than what's required. Do you understand, mate?
Officer Billy, what's going on? I was just trying to get back to my car.
I just rocked up out of nowhere. I was like, okay, so I'm here to check you. I fucking remembered it.
Where am I going?
Um,
Officer Billy, what's going on?
I'm requiring to check your vehicle, not Billy. I don't understand. Why have I been restrained? I am a member of the well-distinguished Environmental Protection Agency for the Altis region. And therefore I'm required to check all vehicles in and amongst the area.
Yes, you evaded police. You were being chased
No,
by
I think
police.
you've got me confused with
Yes,
my exactly...
No.
I have an exact twin, and I mean identical twin, like he carries the same name and everything as me, so you've probably got him confused. See, I work for the Environmental Protection Agency, so I work for the same person that you do, not Billy, so I'm just here to help and try to fix the situation.
Boy.
Excuse
I've
me,
been looking
private
for
parts.
you, boy.
Excuse me, private parts. Have you, this guy says that it was someone that looks like him. You were talking
Yeah,
to him face to face. Is this the perpetrator that you were chasing?
I have an exact twin, like identical twin, same name and everything. See, our parents had some form of mental issue, so they couldn't remember two different
funny,
names,
boy.
so they had to list
You know
our
what?
names as exactly the same. But I work
Oh,
for the EPA,
I
Mr.
see.
Private
I
Part.
see.
I'm
Yeah, look in the
required
eyes,
to check
boy.
your vehicle as it is in the Altis region to ensure that all catalytic converters are working appropriately, that you are not damaging the atmosphere that we live in. And
You know what, boy?
so
I'm looking in your
desperately
eyes, and all I can smell is Jack motherfucking Daniels, boy. Get on that line. Get on this
Now.
line, boy. Get on this line, boy.
There is there's a generator at the local prison that might need inspecting. I think we should send you there so you can inspect it.
I understand, but I just got out of I just came from my Environmental Protection Agency office, which is just down the road on the right. I'm happy
That's
to take
fine,
this
boy.
back here. What am I doing? I can't do anything, mate. I'm currently restrained.
You know what I'm happy to do, boy? I'm gonna unrestrain you again. Okay? I'm gonna take off that hat and those glasses and look me in the eye, boy. Okay? Do you agree?
As long as you therefore then let me inspect that your catalytic converters are working in the appropriate order. as
You
it should
can
be,
have a
then
look
I'm
at the
happy to.
car. You can inspect the car. You need to, boy. I'm
No,
just
no,
gonna,
I can do that then. That's not a problem.
you inspect that car. Hang on, boy. I need to get the glasses and that hat off. Hang on, boy.
As a valued member of the Altis public servants section,
Develop
013.
vehicle.
You've currently got a member of the public locked in one of your vehicles, which could be endangering to her health.
Do not run, boy. This is what you need to do, boy. You need to walk on this line, because I smell alcohol on your ass. Walk on the line. Walk. Do not run. Do not veer off the line. Come to me, boy. Damn, boy. Stop there, boy. Now, as prime is, come over here and you can look at the car. If you do run, we will tase. If you do drive off, we will
I need to
tase.
put my safety glasses on, so just bear with.
That's fine, sir. You know what? I'm gonna make a deal with you, boy. Here, listen to me. I'm gonna make a deal with you, boy. Are you having a look at the car there, boy?
Yep. I can see that you've still got the standard systems running in the car, which means it will definitely be passing the environmental regulations section 612. So, as far as I'm concerned, as long as you don't leave your car idling, then you're free to keep that vehicle registered on the roads, and you're not required to come to my office and have your system readjusted.
Damn, boy, you good with fuel consumption, and environmental levies and charges. Damn, boy, you good.
Exactly.
Where's your friend, boy? Where's your little friend, boy?
Currently locked inside your vehicle, which, as I was stating before, is a violation against Section 153 and keeping
Did she
a
break the
person
law?
in a vehicle that could
Did she break the
that
law?
could reach an illegally high temperature. She could potentially get dehydrated in several hours, just drop dead inside that passenger seat. These are the kind of issues that we ask each other.
That
the
law is
EPA.
only for dogs in cars. That law is only for dogs. I hope you're not insinuating that she's a dog or a feline, boy.
I'm just concerned for a fellow EPA agent.
Okay. Just come stand over here, boy. This is what's confusing me, boy. Why is that girl in that car? You tell me.
I really don't know.
Billy Bob,
All
do you
I
know why
know
this
is
girl
that
was in this
here
vehicle?
Yes, he told me to tase and restrain anyone that came back with this vehicle because they assisted in the running away, this person in particular.
Oh, okay. See, now she's in that car because she tried to run away, possibly with you in the vehicle.
As
Look,
an accomplice.
I don't think you know, but I'm actually trained in several arts that can really destroy
damn,
you
boy.
here. So you might want to just
You know what? I'm trained in the restrain and tase art, boy. We don't fuck around, boy. Understand?
We'll be having no more aggressive movements. Thank you very much.
We'll be having. I can't even restrain you, you kung fu motherfucker. This guy is off his nuts.
You can't control me. You can't control the fury of my
what's this,
ninjutsu,
boy?
bro.
Boy, you better get. You better get restrained right now, boy.
Son.
You
Just
better
take
get
the bullets,
restrained
bro.
right now, boy. You crazy, boy.
Come at me, not Billy. Come at me, bro. This is the EPA
Boy,
strength.
you
This is what you get.
crazy,
It's
boy.
the environment giving back to the person.
What's this for environment, boy? Stop dancing. Stop
This
dancing.
this
right
is
now.
what I can do.
You have about 30 seconds to stop dancing, or this is gonna be a little fast. Say happy birthday.
So when
I lit.
Thank you. You are a man. You're a machine. You are a fucking goddamn machine. I will accept that, boy.
See,
But
this is what happens when you give back to the environment that is given so graciously to you. It gives you powers
This is what
to
I'm gonna do,
absorb.
Boy, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let you go, okay? If I see your ass in a crashed vehicle in the area with your friend or the canine or whatever the fuck you trying to pretend she is, with you in your fucking glasses and fake ass hat, when you trying to be environmentalist and shit. If I see you around here breaking the law, you coming to Budgie's house, you understand?
I do definitely understand, Mr. Potts.
Okay, boy.
Just as long as you don't tamper with your equipment or leave your car idling unattended, then we will never have a quarrel.
You watch this, Tris. I'm gonna get in the car and just drive it straight into the other cop car and just be like, oh shit.
Okay, boy.
Okay, sounds cool.
That's what I'm gonna do, boy. Just remember, we are always watching, okay?
Hey,
Always.
hey, can somebody unrestrain me?
I can assure you that wasn't intentional.
What the hell's going on here, civilian? Uh-oh.
My left wheel wishbone seems to have buckled and pulled viciously to the left. You wouldn't happen to have a repair kit with you, Mr. Blurk, number 3?
Fuck no, mate. You're gonna have to call fucking a mechanic and you're gonna have to call Windscreens O'Brien's. Your fucking windshield's fucked, bro.
No, it's fine. It can be fixed with the gel that they use. Tristy, you don't have a repair kit, do you?
Oh, these are speed
I do
holes
have
to
one.
make the car go faster, eh?
Look, Blurk. You come here. Parts. Look, I don't know what you want here out of me, mate. But you need to stay back.
I was actually gonna repair your vehicle and get you the fuck out of here, boy.
Okay. I think it's already being repaired, so we're good.
Is that a Sport Turbo, boy?
No, it's a standard model, mate. I work for the government. Do you think they'll give me anything decent ever?
No.
Okay, well, you have a good day, Mr. Private Part. Thanks for the time and thanks
Now,
for being a good
now get out of here,
environmentally
boy.
friendly
We're setting up. That's fine, boy. Get out of here. We're setting up a speeding checkpoint. We're looking out for speeders. Enjoy, boy.
Oh, that was good fun.